Very intuitive, very easy to use.
In the beginning, I was skeptical. I was like, I don't know if I need it or do I need it? I'll tell anybody, you need it.
Workiz.
Workiz.
Online bookings for us are huge using Workiz. When a customer books, we get all the information, we get a ping to our phone, and then we can add it to the schedule and take care of that customer.
Doing my research, I was looking at software, that was all inclusive, invoicing, estimating, and it's been awesome.
It keeps everything in track. People's names, addresses, whatever, you need it.
It's helpful, especially now that we're a multi-truck operation, and as we get bigger, a lot of the Workiz benefits become more pronounced.
You couldn't do it without it. You'd be losing emails, you'd be losing addresses. Like I could work off this now and have everybody's name and address. I can send them Christmas cards. I can send them holiday, whatever.
We have call recording turned on, so when our techs give the customer a call when they're 20 minutes away, we can listen in on those calls. We see when the truck arrives. We can attach photos for the job of how it goes. It's also our CRM, so when we want to send out email marketing, we have that list straight from Workiz to export, and then we can reach all our customers easily.
It's your contact list. That's not over here, over here, over here. No, it's right here all the time.